Guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I'm canning potatoes. I've been canning for off and on for a couple of 3 weeks now, and I still have a bunch of potatoes. I'm going to show you how many I still have left. But yesterday I canned I canned 4 quarts of green beans and 7 quarts of potatoes. Today I've canned so far 14 quarts of potatoes, and I'm working on my last 7. I'm going to do 21 quarts today. So I'm going to show you my kitchen right quick. Okay, on the stove I have my potatoes that need to come out. I don't do them but about 3 minutes. And they're ready to go in jars. Here, these are ready to go in for the boiling process. This is what I do, is I just add this and fill it up and put it back. It's just kind of assembly line type thing. And show you the process right quick. I do it about 3 minutes in the hot water. It says to do about 10, but you're cooking your potatoes and then you're putting them in for 40 minutes. So here we go back around to the boiling water. So it's just a process. And then I have my water that I'm going to put in the jars. I always have clean water. I have my jars back here in hot water. I put one at a time. I have my potatoes here and my jars ready. This, as you saw a while ago, is the potatoes that will be done for the jars. They're already peeled and stuffed. Salad. Hey, fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and asparagus. And I threw in some huckleberries. Can you see that? Huckleberries are good in salad. This is just awesome. Now, let's go see the dining room. Here are 14 jars I've already got done. The canner, of course, is ready. But look at this. I've already got potatoes from yesterday done. That's the 7 from yesterday. All the green beans back there that you can see that I've already done. There's 6, 9, 10 of those that I've already done. A few carrots. These are the last of the carrots that I did. There's 15 of those. 5 of the peaches and 2 of the peach jams. Looking awesome. Tomatoes, guys. Look at this. Tomatoes. Tomatoes in the floor. Peaches. Danny went and picked those. We'll be doing some more peaches. But look. Can you see? It's still a sea of potatoes. And when I finish today, that's 28 jars of potatoes I did yesterday, and today that's quarts. And look how many potatoes I still have. Some of these are going to go down to the cellar, hopefully about half of them, and then I'll continue on next week with potatoes, guys. So that's what my kitchen's looking like today. I'm sorry, Crazy Days is crazy, but I've got to eat a salad while I'm waiting on things. Just thought I would throw out there this awesome fresh salad. It's awesome to be able to eat from your place and to have salad every day with something in it. I don't even have any lettuce. I didn't put any lettuce at all. It's cucumbers, tomatoes, asparagus, huckleberries, and onions. Sounds good to me. So I've got to get to eating and then putting these potatoes in jars, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you from Crazy Days.